right, everybody, today we are on page 6, exercise 2. Raise your hand if you can tell me what key we are in. Julia. Very good. We're in the key of F. Now, everyone, please look at the soprano line only today. Soprano line only today. All right? I want you to look through your music until you find the first skip. Everyone look at your music, the soprano line only. Find the first skip. Raise your hand when you find it. Hannah?
In the second measure, I think that's right.
Me to do. In the second measure, I love the way she said that. She gave me the measure number, and then she gave me the name of the skip. From here to here. That's exactly right, Hannah. So in measure 2, we go from me, we skip re, and we go straight to do. Does everybody see that in measure 2? Okay, now let's look for our second skip. Let's look for the next one, Miss Caitlin.
Measures 4 and 5, from me to sol.
Exactly. For measures 4 to 5, look at that one. For measures 4 to 5, I went from me, I skipped over fa, and I just went straight up to so. Me to so. Okay, now where's our next one? Raise your hand if you once you find it. Look at your music. Look at it. Try to find it. Where's the next one? Kat.
I think it's after the
What measure number is it?
8th note from to down to the other one. I forget the name.
Okay, so can anybody give me more specifics? Allie?
Measure 6.
Measure 6.
From me to do.
From me to do. Now, does that look like measure 2? Okay, does measure 1 look like measure 5? It does, doesn't it? Now, I want you to start recognizing those kinds of patterns. Because when you have patterns in sight reading, all of a sudden, it makes it so much easier. Because you're like, oh yeah, I already did this. I recognize this. This is not new, right? This is not new material. It's repeated material, which all of a sudden makes your sight reading less intimidating, okay? So very good. Measures 1 and 2 are the same as measures 5 and 6. Okay, are there any other repeats? Let's look through. Or I'm sorry, any other skips? Any other skips? I don't see any either. So we're done isolating those skips and finding those. Now, in the future, I may give you 30 seconds to study. At this point, I would use that 30 seconds to identify skips first. Here we go. So in the future, I may give you 30 seconds to study, right? I would use the first part of my 30 seconds always to go through and say, oh, there's a skip there. It's from here to here. There's another skip. It's from this to this. That is going to make your sight reading so much easier because you've already identified the skips, okay? Then you go back after that and you start reading through rhythms, okay, on solfege. That's what you should use those 30 seconds to do, okay? So here we go. We're going to chant our way through. We start on so. We're all reading the soprano line today. Here we go. Starts on so. Ready? Show me you're ready. 1, 2, 3, chanting, ready, go. So, 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 fa, mi, do, do, re, mi, fa, mi. Up to so. So, 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 fa, mi, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Excellent. Now, on the 4th measure where you have me for 3 solid beats, should you stare at me for all 3 beats, or should you look ahead at measure 5 to see what's coming next? That is so true. You should totally look ahead to see what's about to happen. Okay? So here we go. Ready? Read my broken chord. Good work, ladies. Put that away. Good job.
Yeah,